All right, guys, it's really cold out here, but I'm going to give you a quick review of the Axiom. I'm either botching the pronunciation, AXIOM discs, Axiom discs basket. This is the Axiom Pro model, and it's holding up excellently in the Colorado weather. It does come with some tent spikes, and forgive the wind, I'll try to talk a little bit loud here, but it does come with some tent spikes that are down in the ground around the base. Let's go ahead and show you that here. And the base is right here, and here is one of the tent spikes right here around the edge of the disc golf basket, which, let me get the snow off, and it just goes in a circle. This is a portable basket. It weighs in, I think, a hair over 30 pounds, fully assembled, as you can tell here, holding up great. Now, there was a big snowstorm earlier this week that did blow it over, even with the spikes in the ground, but it was because we get like 20-mile-an-hour plus winds out here. It's very windy right now, and it's sitting just beautifully here. If you haven't already watched my Discraft golf basket, the Discraft Lite version, that's over there. I already have that review on the channel. I reviewed that one in California. We're out here building a full 18-hole golf course, so stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. This is a great basket as well. Now, if I had my choice, I like this one because of the blue color. The other ones are black. The only difference is this one kind of goes up like this right here, where the Discraft is more straight up, not at a very slight angle. Both baskets catch the discs just fine. We got this one on sale before Christmas of 2020, but it comes in the base, pole, basket, chains and basket, and then the top with a cap right here. They're pretty much all made the same by probably manufacturers, my guess, overseas. They're designed pretty much all the same. The chains, again, catch it just nicely, and I'm just impressed that they don't fall over, even the Discraft one sitting in the middle of the field out there. So overall, it's a great basket. Do I have a preference? Yeah, I guess I'm partial to Discraft basket, but this one is a very nice one as well. We were able to get this one in the blue color, which is a lot cheaper than the Discraft one in the blue color. The black ones are the cheapest, Amazon Prime. This one in the blue color came out just nicely. Again, catches the discs just fine. Obviously not with the chains frozen, but it is thawing out here a little bit. We had a big snowstorm, like I said, last night. Overall, it's a thumbs up in my book. We are going to be building out that disc golf course. We got a really nice Mando hole over here. We got some long holes coming around here, but it's going to be expanding. We have a lake water hole Mando tree over here for forehand throwers. This is a really dialed in golf course. We got open land behind us. And here is just a little shot of the hole. We just obviously, we're right behind the tree there. This is a little preview for you guys here. We have a nice straight shot, high wind today, obviously. Trees to the right, short par 3 here. But just understand that you can build a disc golf course. We will eventually be trying to put in as much cement as possible, but use pads you already do have around the house. Under here is just nice dirt with wood that's blocked off here for our tee pad. Plenty of room to throw a nice shot, play the wind, work on your technical shots. Here's the Mando par 3, which is very hard. Tee box is over here. You have to Mando around this second tree through this front tree, forehand shot or backhand flex around to the Axiom Pro blue basket behind the tree right there. Again, very hard birdie hole, even a little technical for par 3. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. In the description box below, I'm going to have this disc golf basket. Again, it's the Pro model. That will be linked in the description box below. Hit that thumbs up, guys, if you wouldn't mind. Stay tuned and keep getting those birdies. We'll see you then. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.